welcome to Simone Biles.
Whenever I was younger, I always dreamed of being on a Wheaties Box because of so many greats that have been on it before.
We believe in the power of relationships can really change people's lives. So we're here today with you to celebrate Friends of the Children Houston.
Having that one person in your life that believes in you, that's there for you, that can change and make all the difference in that kid's life. Now we get to bring a chapter to Houston so that those Houston kids can be so deserving and get the help that they need and have that mentor.
Have you did a backflip before?
Have I done a backflip before? I've done several. Yeah, I've probably done millions by now.
How do you get over your stress in gymnastics and throughout your life?
I think the most important thing is to find either a hobby or activity outside your sport or work or school that you really enjoy doing, and just know that you guys can break any boundaries.